Good. Roll. Good boy. Good. Yeah. Okay. So, what I want to do first is try to bring this break. Come here. Down. So, like I explained in the morning, first thing first, you have to just make sure that your dog is on the down position. Good. Okay. Down. Finally. Okay, I'm going to reward that. Good job. So, after your dog is in the down position, you want to try and lower the dog. Yes! Good boy! Now you knew this from this morning already, you can see that. So, and that is good. That is good. I love it. Good boy. Still on the position there. Good boy. And I'm going to go further, go further, go further. Yes! Good boy. And that's just it. Look at that. That's so wonderful. Good boy. And I'm going to make him stand up. Yes! Good. And that's it. Good boy. I'm going to jackpot him for that one. He's blocking my view now. Ooh, your body's on the camera, boy. Okay. I'm going to place him down again. Good boy. And I'm going to try and reverse it this time to the down. I'm going to try and reverse it to the other way. No, it's not going. Okay. No, it's not going down. Yeah, it's okay. This first time. I'm going to try. Now down. I'm going to try. And I'm going to help him. I'm going to help him. Now down. Okay. Oh, I'm going to help him with my hand here. You can see my hand here. I'm going to help him. Yes! Good boy! Good! Okay, I just helped him there a little bit, you know, so yeah. Good boy! Good. Good. Down. That's it. Put him down like that. I'm going to help him. Place my hand here. I'm going to place my hand here. Now, he's not walking. Push him there. Down. That's it. I want him to roll on this side to be able to. He's not comfortable, you know. He's not comfortable going on the other way. So down, 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 down. Okay, he's gonna go. I'm gonna roll. I'm gonna help him. I'm gonna help him. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Good. That was good. Okay, now we're gonna go like this now. I'm gonna change it. Come on. Yes, good boy. So I'm gonna try. That's it. Yes, that's it. You're just gonna play on the ground. You're just gonna roll and roll on the ground, and that's it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Now we're gonna go again. Now he stays freely. He's going freely by himself. Yes. Yes, come on. Get it. Come on. Yes! Good boy. Good. Yes, good boy. Now get some. Good. We're going to try again. Just going to go down first. Good. Okay, I'm going to go with this hand now. Wait, this is so easy for him to go. Good. Yes, good boy. Come on, yes, good job. Look at here. Yeah, that's it. You're gonna try like this. Yeah, I'm gonna try. Good boy, yes, good job. Good. It's so difficult for him to do right now, to understand the concept. What I want. Good boy, yes! Good job, like that. Good boy. You saw that? That was so easy. This is the first time he did that for the first time. So easy like that. Good boy. Good. Now I'm going to push more. Push more. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. And that's it. And that's just it. Simple like we just started this morning, this exercise. I'm going to try and bring him this way. Good boy. Good. Yes. Good job. I'm going to jackpot that one. I'm going to give him so much trick, for that one. And that's it. So much trick for that. Okay, boy. That's it. Yes. Good boy. And that's just it. It's already rolling already. Woo. Boy, you're so smart. Get a little down. Yes. Get him in that position. And I'm just gonna start from here. Start from here. Yes! Good boy! Good! Good, and that's just it. Yes! Good boy! Good. Now for the first time, I'm going to add the cue to it, the command to it. What I want to call this exercise, okay? For the first time, I'm going to say, roll, roll, roll. Yes! Good! And that's it. That's what I want. Just roll, roll. Yes! Good boy! And that's it. Roll, 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 roll. Yes! Good! 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 Good boy! Roll, roll. Yes! Good boy! And that's just it. Roll, roll, roll. Yes! Good boy! Good, good. Now I'm going to jackpot that. I'm going to give him so much treat for that. I'm just going to give him so much treat. And that's it. Good boy. I got my treat. Good boy. I got more treat here. One more treat. Oops. Sorry. Ah. Come on, boy. Good boy. You're so smart. Come here, boy. Come here. Come down here. Good job. Good. Good. Now place him. We're going to try for the last time now. The last time we're going to try. Good. I'm going to give him that one. Now I'm going to turn. Roll, roll, roll. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Good boy. Roll, roll, roll. Yes! Good boy. So I just gave him so much there again. Catch, catch. Good boy. Come on, catch. Good. Yeah, I got. Catch. Yeah, super. We're gonna try. I promise now this is gonna be the last one. I'm so pushy, you know. I'm so pushy. So I help him here. So yeah. So just turn like this. Roll, 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 roll. Yes! Good boy. Roll, roll, roll. Yes! Good. And that's it. Good boy. So with this I'm gonna call it a day. Good boy. You want this? Wait. Come here down here. Down. Come here. Down. Good boy. So I hope this little exercise help you and your dog. Wow, you did great. You're a great dog. Good boy. Yeah. So that is all for now about roll. Tomorrow we're gonna repeat the same exercise. In fact, we're gonna do this. Hey, no, down. Back off. Come here. Down. Good boy.